Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to apply filters to images present in your camera roll using Snapchat. As you know, Snapchat is a fun app where you can share snaps and videos among friends and families. So first things first, let me open the Snapchat app. Now I've come on the main, that is the home screen of the Snapchat app, and as you can see, side of the camera shutter button on the left portion there is a rectangular button. So you simply need to click on that and then you go into your memories based on the snaps, stories, camera rolls, etc. So now you simply need to click on the camera roll section. So now all the images are visible that is present inside your gallery. So let's say I want to edit this photo and apply filters to it. For that, you simply need to click on this pencil icon on the bottom left and then you get the editing option and you can scroll left and right for filters. So let's say I like this vibrant filter and then you need to click on the page icon to apply more filters. So let's say I want to apply the temperature filter. So I can apply the temperature filter. And then I also want to apply the time filter. So I can apply the time filter. And likewise, you can even apply other filters like your Bitmoji and your saved stickers, etc. is basically your choice. And then you simply need to click on the send button and then you can put it on your story or send it to your friend and family members. So that's it from this quick video where we've seen how to apply effects to images present in the camera roll. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and amazing videos.